Yeah, good evening everyone. Welcome to NILET District Delhi preparation strategy video. So this video is for your ECE branch. Okay, we will discuss for Scientist B and STA both post. Everything we will discuss in very much detail. So just prepare to get every knowledge, everything regarding NILET District recruitment 2021. So what is your expected exam date, syllabus pattern, everything we will discuss. Okay, so let's see the timestamp first. I will add the timestamp. That is first. I will discuss about mindset. So what mindset you should have while preparing for NILET STQC if you are very serious and if you want this job in 2021. Okay, anyhow. So we will discuss the important points first. Then detailed syllabus discussion of ECE branch. Okay, then the NILET test pack is already there. You can visit apnagovernmentjob.org and you can check the features. Okay, and I am modifying it again. So earlier I added few features in that. Okay, now again the best thing I am doing so that the chances of your selection gets increased. Okay, so regarding this also we will discuss. And the fourth and last very important, that is how to get best rank and what should be your routine. Okay, how you can utilize Apna Government Job all the resources to its fullest. Okay, just one announcement for the student who already subscribed to NILET test pack. Okay, you didn't download the app yet now and you didn't join the batches. One batch is there of NILET. Okay, NILET STQC batch is there on application. So just download the application and message me on application. I will add you in the batch. Okay, few students are left now. Those who already purchased in month of January, February, whatever. Okay, so let's start with our first point. That is your mindset for NILET STQC. Okay, so first doubt you have that whether to apply for both posts or not. Okay, so compulsory apply to both posts. Okay, don't see anything now, just apply because in here you will get such opportunity very rare, or I can say in 2021 this is the only opportunity you will get in technical exam. Okay, so apply to both the post because syllabus is exactly same, so no issue. Either you will secure Scientist B or Scientist Assistant A or both. Okay, you can secure both also, no problem in that. So this is the first thing. Second thing, level of both the papers. Okay, that is Scientist B and your STA paper. Now see, for ECE specifically I am talking about ECE branch. Okay, I can say the Scientist B paper is little higher level. Okay, little higher, and STA paper is little lower. Okay, little lower level. So the most question here are based on theoretical view. Okay, so theoretical questions you will get here, most of the questions in STA, and in Scientist B, okay, theoretical plus numerical both combination you will get here. Okay, so definitely I will tell you later that how you can prepare and all these things. So the level of paper is like this only, there is no issue for your ECE branch. Okay, okay, now same day exam will happen or not? So yes, exam will be on same day. Okay, but the shift will be different, like in morning suppose Scientist B, in noon suppose STA. Okay, like this, or vice versa, means in morning they can conduct STA, or in afternoon they can conduct Scientist B paper. Okay, so like this. Okay, next thing, that sectional cutoff, this is the very important point which I will take here some time of yours. Okay, see, in NILET 2020 recruitment, okay, lots of students get out of the race because of this only. How? Let's see. Total 120 marks paper you have. Okay, out of which 78 is for technical section, and second one is your non-tech section, right? Or I can say general section, which having 42 marks. Okay, please pay attention here carefully because of this lots of students miss the opportunity in 2020. And I don't want that the same mistake you should do. Okay, you could do. That's why. So for open, now see, for open, okay, 50% is the sectional cutoff, means 50% compulsory. 50% compulsory you should secure in technical also and non-technical also. Means what? Open candidates should secure here minimum direct half. Okay, that is 39, and here 21 mark compulsory. Now lots of students are there. I am sure that few of them are also applying for STQC. Okay, you guys have already done the mistake, so it's time to rectify that. Okay, in technical people score 65 above marks, literally 65 above. Some people have 70 above also. You can imagine, out of 70 above marks they score. But here in non-tech 18, 15, 16 like that. Okay, and because of this they are out of the race, because compulsory 21 marks for open candidate you should compulsory have. Okay, so this is very important. So in short, what I want to tell you that you have to balance the both the things, very important. Okay, you have to balance the both the things, otherwise it's over for you. Okay, similarly for OBC 40%. Okay, 40% means what? That is, you are here 31.2 and here it will be 16.8. Okay, and for SC/ST here, SC, ST and PWD candidates, you have 30% criteria. 30% means in technical out of 78 you should score minimum 23.4 compulsory, and in non-technical minimum you should score 12.6 mark compulsory, then you are eligible. Okay, this is the first criteria, and obviously your selection will be based on your merit list. Okay, your rank, this is sure, but this is the first criteria. That's why just balance out the things. Okay, don't neglect the non-tech section. Now in 2020, okay, non-tech section is little easier. Why? Because only quant and reasoning was there. Okay, but for you guys, for STQC, quant plus reasoning is there, plus GK is there. So yes, it is challenging. I will never neglect this fact that this is challenging. Yes, and for open candidate you can see out of 42, 21 marks you should score. Okay, half. So little bit it is challenging as compared to 2020, but still it is okay, right? So they are the important thing you should know about fourth point. Then the fifth point, which is very important, that expected exam date. Okay, now see here, basically there are two things. Okay, I will share with you that this form came in December only, right? And now in June again it is reopened, and July it will end. Okay, now till now I didn't get any information regarding the expected exam date, or just a month. Okay, but we have to prepare accordingly. Okay, we should have one target, then only we can prepare seriously. Otherwise we will prepare till your announcement, and definitely they will announce before 15 to 20 days of your exam date. Okay, before 15 to 20 days they will announce. So this is the thing. Now what will we do, that your form is ending on 9th of July. Okay, 9th of July. So minimum, okay, minimum July month you have full, because see here, okay, here those who apply earlier already they scrutinize the applications. Duplicate candidate form list is already out there. Okay, so now their work is just to scrutinize the new applications, and that is also not more. Okay, because already people applied here in December only. So I guess in July month only they will complete the scrutinization, and they will just do the arrangement, and according to me August 3rd week, okay, or maximum 4th week they can announce your exam. Okay, they can announce your exam in August 3rd week. So our target date of preparation will be August 3rd only. So minimum I can say you that you have 60 days in your hand from now, from today. Okay, totally you have 60 days. So this is the thing, and you should make the target like this. If exam date extended, then it's good, then otherwise definitely they will conduct on this. Okay, and in between if I get any information, then definitely I will share with you. Okay, no need to worry about that. You just focus on preparation. All the things, all the update I am here to give you, right? Your job is to give preparation. Okay, so this is the fifth point. I hope it is clear now about your expected exam date. Next, what is the importance of these vacancies? Okay, whatever the vacancies are there, total 83 vacancies. Yes, there is importance, because already I told you that same syllabus, okay, and multiple chances. Either you will get scientist B, or either you will get STA, which is good. Actually it is good. Okay, because in 2021 we have to secure the government job, right? This is the primary target of all the aspirant. I guess 99% aspirant, those who are connected with Apna government job, they just want government job, whether it is STA, scientist B. Okay, it is not a concern about. Okay, to secure the job, it is very important that just we have to do the same syllabus, and we have two chances, okay, to fight. So this is the 6th point. Okay, the next one, that's 7. Now here again in 2020, okay, this is I am telling based on this mistake performed by student. Lots of students, as you already know, that in scientist B there is a criteria, right? Because they will convert your 120 marks to 85%, and 15% of your interview. This is your total 100%. Okay, like this. So just forget about this 15 marks. I will tell you, just forget about this 15 marks, because this is not in your hand. Okay, this is in the hand of interviewer. They can ask you any question. If they didn't like your face also, if their day is bad, then definitely they will cut your marks. Okay, yes, this is the fact. Okay, this is the fact. We have only 85% of this mark. So try to secure maximum mark out of 120 in short. Okay, give your everything and just be relaxed after result. Don't don't have tension about this interview process. Okay, because few students are there, they have the pressure of interview because they need, now their marks are low, okay, in written test, and they need to score about 12 marks or about 10 marks in interview, which is very difficult task, actually practically difficult. Okay, you know already, I always tell you practical things, the reality, which is very difficult. Okay, so that's why this pressure I don't want you guys also should face. That's why only consider the exam, which is your last. Okay, just score maximum marks here. Our target definitely will be 100 above only. Okay, there is no option other than this. So this is the thing. So this is the mindset you should have while you are starting your preparation for NIELIT STQC. Now about your syllabus and what other things are there. Okay, first point, just note down each and everything now, whatever I will discuss from now. Okay, second point, that your subject I arrange in high weightage to low weightage manner. Means your signal and systems have very high weightage in NIELIT STQC 2021. Okay, like this we will go now. So let's start with now. See what we have in signals and system, very important subject. So definition, properties of Laplace transform. Okay, continuous time discrete time Fourier series, continuous time discrete time Fourier transform we have, DFT, FFT, Z transform, sampling theorem, LTI systems we have. Okay, this is the things, parallel cascade structure, frequency response, group delay, phase delay, and signal transmission through LTI system. Now see, here I already told you that for scientist B, our pattern will be theoretical plus numerical, and for STA, our pattern will be theoretical. Okay, obviously few numericals will be there, but very few. Okay, as compared to scientist B, very few numerical we have in STA. It will be there, but very few. Okay, so keep this thing in your mind. Now all the things which are mentioned here you have to do. Okay, all the this compulsory. Don't put anything into option. First thing, right? Like when you start the signals and system, so you will always start from your basic signals, then systems, what are the system parameters. Okay, then you can move to LTI systems, then all the things, causality, stability you can do. Okay, convolution, poles and zero, this thing also you will do in control systems. Then after that Laplace, Fourier, okay, then Fourier transform, Fourier series, Z transform also we will very important. Sampling theorem is also important because in communication also you will use this, right? So sampling theorem again is very important. These are, I don't think they will ask, but compulsory you have to do the things. Okay, concept, at least you should know the concept behind them, behind these topics, right? And then DFT, FFT, this also you should do. Okay, so in short, all the things which are mentioned here you need to compulsory do. LTI system is very important, you know already, and the signal transmission through LTI system you know. Okay, our sinusoidal signal, complex signal, exponential signal, you should know that when we transfer from LTI system, then output will be what, right? This thing you should know. Like this only they will ask you theory question or numerical. Okay, a calculator is not there. Again, a few students will ask whether calculator is there or not. No, there is no calculator. Okay, manually you have to do your calculation, and for that, to improve your that portion, aptitude is there. So first subject is your signals and system. Second subject which is very important for you, that is communication. Okay, that is communication. So in communication, what day we will start with analog communication system. Okay, amplitude, angle, then your phase modulation, frequency modulation, all the things you will do. Then move to receivers, very important again. Elements of hardware, okay, just skip this, there is no need to just do this. Then realization of analog communication system, okay, this also you can skip this. SNR calculation you should require. Okay, what is the SNR for your amplitude, FM, PM, like this. Then calculation of AM, this is the compulsory question they will ask you. Okay, this is short question. Then fundamental of information theory and channel capacity theorem, so you should know the theory part of this, also numerical also. Okay, and then the very important, that random signal, noise, probability, random variable, probability density function, autocorrelation, and PSD. So compulsory portion you need to do this. Okay, they will ask you 2 to 3 questions based on this, only this topic. So second is your communication, which is highest marks subject in your NALA District UC 2021. Okay. Next, digital communication is there. So here we start with PCM, then DPCM. Okay. Then your digital module schemes are there: ASK, FSK, PSK. Advantage, disadvantage, comparison, all the things you should do, because the theoretical theoretical approach should be there. This is not GATE exam where you will get the numerical and conceptual question. Theoretically you should know each and everything. Okay. Then match filter receivers we have. Then bandwidth consideration, each bandwidth for ASK, FSK, PSK. Okay. PCM, DPCM, bandwidth calculation you should know. Then bandwidth is there. Then data rate is also there because digital communication, right? Then your probability of error calculation you should know, at least formula you should remember for this. Okay. And whatever the parameters in the formula you should know how to relate them. That is one increase, then decrease, other decrease, like this. Okay. So theory question they may ask you. Okay. This thing you can skip if you want. Just do the basics of TDM, FDM, CDMA, GSM, and wireless communication you can skip if you want. Okay. So this is your digital communication. The next subject is very much important for you, that is your digital circuits, right? So in digital circuits, what we have: basic Boolean algebra, minimization of Boolean function, logic gates. Okay, digital IC family. Here just do the comparison, and also remember the values which we have, fan out and everything we have already, right? Then combination circuit, compulsory arithmetic circuit, code converter, multiplexer, decoder, demultiplexer is also there, right? Encoder, decoder is also there. Then ROM, PROM, sequential circuit, latches, flip flops, counter, shift register there, sample and hold circuit, very important. ADC, DAC formula. Okay, one question they will ask you based on this ADC and DAC. And then again semiconductor memories, so you can skip this if you want, otherwise it is same as ROM, PROM, right? So these are your digital circuits. The next one is your networks. Okay, so network, in this what you can do, you start with your basics, that is your basics of network, KVL, KCL, everything, right? All the techniques which we use to solve the networks. Then network theorems are there: superposition, Thevenin's, Norton. Okay, nodal mesh analysis, already told you that all these are the techniques we use to solve the network. Then here you have transient analysis. So in transient, okay, RLC circuit you have. Then your Laplace transformation also you have, means Laplace method also there, right? Frequency domain analysis also there. Then your two-port network is there. Two-port network, driving point, transfer functions are there. Okay, and state equation. Last chapter is your state equations. So this thing you have to know. Now this graph theory also you need to do. Okay, they can ask you the question, theory question they can ask you from based on this, the graph theory. So compulsory do this. Okay. Okay, now the next is your control systems. So in control system also, basic control system you have. Okay, just theory part of open loop, closed loop system we have. Then stability part you can do. Signal flow graph you have to do. Block diagram reduction also there will be there you can do. Then transient statistic analysis is very important for you. Okay, then here root locus is there, your root service criteria, Bode plot, Nyquist plot. These are the compulsory things you need to do. Okay, there is no option. Then control system compensators. So compensators and your this what also you need to do. Okay, PI, PD, PID. Theory part will be, they can ask you. Okay, theory part they can ask you. Then the state variable representation also here we have, that also you need to do. Okay, you need to do this. So next is your control system. Okay, after that your EMT is there, electromagnetic theory. So for EMT, what you can do, our first chapter is vector, right? Then after vector, plane wave propagation, you can do all the things which are mentioned here. Okay, each formula you need to remember. They can ask you anything in the EMT, because EMT is vast subject, you already know this. Okay, then transmission lines is there, waveguide, all the waveguides, that is rectangular, circular also you can do. Then basic of propagation in dielectric waveguide, optical fiber. Okay, then basics of antenna. This part you can skip because I don't think they will ask you these questions. So this part if you want, then you can skip, but whatever the things are there, okay, you need to compulsory do this. Okay, see the next subject, that is your COA. You already know that in the GATE also. Okay, now GATE is C, this subject is added, so they also give you in the syllabus. So basics of digital electronics, means obviously you are digital electronics only. Okay, so it will be same. Then register transfer, micro operations, basic computer organization control unit. So this is the program, basically microprocessor. Okay, you can do the program microprocessor. Microprocessor also they mention separately here. I guess next will be your microprocessor only. Okay, this is the microprocessor only. Okay, so microprocessor and microcontroller is there. So all the thing. Okay, now see, from here you will get theory also plus coding also. Okay, it means your program. Okay, program also you will get from here. So all the things you need to do compulsory, because it is also very important. Microcontroller also you need to focus, because theory question they can ask you from microcontroller, right? So this is the total syllabus you have: controller and processor. So all the things already are these are the other things which are very important here: memory organization, program memory, data memory. Okay, then your addressing modes are there. Also here you have this serial interface, IO ports, timing circuits. Okay, then about microcontroller, then do difference of microprocessor, microcontroller. Basic question also they may ask you about the difference, right? All those I am whatever I am telling you right now, okay, all the things you will get in your test package. So don't worry at all, because I already maintain that for you. Okay, but just remember what things you need to do. That is very important to, if you want to get good rank. Okay, then the next subject is your analog electronics. In analog electronics you will start with your diode, then your BJT, MOSFET, analog CMOS. Okay, just remember the formulas. No deep, like it is not your gate exam you will do all the deep analysis of MOSFET, your CMOS. Okay, no, just whatever the drain current formula in saturation, in your linear region, triode region. Okay, just remember like this. BJT also same. Then simple diode circuit, clipping, clamping, rectifier also you will get. Okay, rectifier here most question they will ask you from half wave, full wave, and the formulas they have: ripple factor, what is the ripple factor, and everything. Then biasing we have of transistor. FET also we have, so FET also you have to do, right? FET also you need to do. Then here we have amplifiers: single stage, multi stage, differential, operational and feedback amplifiers. Okay, then your op amp is there. Op amp very important, one fixed question from op amp. Then your filter, sinusoidal oscillator, criteria of oscillations, this is also fixed question. Okay, single transistor op amp configuration function. Then generator and wave shaping circuit, 555 timers. So 555 timer also they ask already. Then power supply is there. Okay, you can neglect this if you want, but 555 timer and wave shaping circuit, okay, just do this compulsory. Okay, the next is your devices. Okay, so in devices, basic things, again I am emphasizing that on the basic thing you should focus only. Okay, no deep things. So in basic what we have: energy band in silicon, intrinsic, extrinsic formulas are there. Okay, normal formulas are there, you know already. NP is equals to NI square, this thing you know. Then carrier transport you know, diffusion and diffuse current you know already. Okay, so PN junction diode, okay, one fixed question from here. Zener diode also they will ask. Tunnel diode, okay, no need, but still theory part you should know, right? Then again BJT, JFET, MOSFET, capacitor, MOS capacitor is there. Then MOSFET, LED, PIN, avalanche, photodiode, basics of laser. Okay, so laser and your LED you should compulsory do along with BJT, JFET and MOSFET. Don't forget this. Okay, and if you are doing MOSFET, so just have a look on MOS capacitor. They will not ask the question from MOS capacitor, but still if they want to ask, then definitely you should know at least basic theory part, right? This thing now you can skip if you want, because they directly copy paste this thing from gate syllabus only, which is your old gate syllabus, right? So if you want you can skip this, or I will suggest you after completion of every important topics touch this. Okay, but do not touch this in the process only, preparation process. Okay, in last also you can do if time permits, because we have less time. Okay, in 60 days we have to complete the syllabus. Okay, now this is all about your technical part, right? This is all about your technical part. Now just understand this: out of 78 technical questions, okay, 8 to 10 questions you will get from engineering mathematics, which is very important, and other, okay, other, that is your obviously 68 to 70, right? So 68 to 66, sorry, 66 to 68. So these questions are from technical. So already we discussed about this part. Now let's focus on this part. So what we have in mathematics in NILET 2020 also, okay, 2020 paper also, this engineering mathematics was not there, but for you guys it is added now. Okay, so compulsory you need to do. So we have again linear algebra, you know, matrix algebra, easy part will be there, my eigenvalue, eigenvector. Okay, 2 questions will be there for you. Then calculus will be there. Calculus is very important for you. Mean value theorem, theorems, okay, evaluation, definite, these things are there. Partial differentiator, maxima, minima, multiple indicator, Fourier series, you already cover this in this your signal systems. Okay, vector identities also you will cover this in EMT. Then directional derivative also you can cover this in vector only. line, surface and volume integrals, Stokes theorem, Gauss theorem and Green's theorem. Okay, so from calculus also you can expect 1 to 2 questions. The next thing is your differential equation, compulsory 2 questions they will ask you from this. Okay, compulsory 2 questions they will ask you from this. So first order equation, higher order linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Then here we have method of variation parameter, Cauchy's and Euler equation, initial and boundary value problems, partial differential equation and variable separable method. Okay, so this is the differential equation. Then your complex variable is there. Again 2 questions you can expect from this: analytical function, Cauchy's integral theorem, integral formula, Taylor-Lorentz series, ratio theorem and solution integral. Okay, the next is your probability and statistics. So few points, okay, few things, that is your random variable, your discrete continuous distribution, Poisson normal, binomial distribution. Here your random process is not there. Okay, random variable. Okay, so this thing already you will do in communication systems, right? In communication you will do. That's why I told you that portion is very much important for you guys. Then sampling theorem is there. Then conditional probability, mean, median, mode, correlation and regression. These basic things you can do. Okay. Then numerical method, solution of non-linear algebraic equations, signal and multi-step method for differential equations. So you already know the 3 to 4 methods. Just do that. Just know the steps and your job is done, right? Then transform theory, again Fourier transform, Laplace transform, Zen transform, you complete it already in signals and systems, so no need to worry at all here. Okay, so this is your engineering mathematics. Now let's move to non-technical section. We successfully discussed about 78 marks. So now it's time for very important section, and one of because of this only, okay, this will decide your selection. So if you consider from the point of selection, then GK is very much important for you, right? Now we already know that in GK lots of things are there. Syllabus is very much vast, and you need to do history. In history also ancient, medieval and your modern history. Then geography is there. Okay, Indian geography, no need to touch. World geography, polity, economics. In science, physics, chemistry and biology. Then current affairs and static GK. So for current affairs you need to compulsory read, okay, of last 12 months. Don't worry, I will tell you what are the resources you can use. Okay, just for now understand what you need to do, then we will discuss how you can do, right? And along with static GK part, that which is a GK, general knowledge. Okay, so these are the very much big portion for this. Now the problem for non-tech section of 42 marks is that we don't know the distribution. Okay, we don't know the distribution. So just we will assume something, that you are 15 marks for aptitude, you are 15 marks for reasoning, and you are 12 marks for GK. Okay, so like this 42 marks are there. Okay, this is just the assumption, because we should have one line. It may be happen that they can ask you 20 questions also here. Okay, it may happen, anything they can do, but you need to prepare according to this. So in short means just give equal weightage for all the 3 subjects, okay, which is very important for you. Okay, next is your quant section. So these are the important chapters you have for quant section: percentage, ratio, HCF, LCM, okay, profit loss, number system, SICI, time work, both strip system, pipe system, average, mensuration, time and distance, edges, trigonometry and height and distance. So these are the very important portion for your quant section. Then we have your reasoning section. So in reasoning also what we have: coding, decoding, classification, blood relation, direction test, number series, counting figure, number series here missing, and your this also wrong number series. Okay, counting figures, missing figure, paper cutting, folding, statement assumption, statement conclusion, course of action, data interpretation, sitting arrangement, analogy and puzzle. Okay, puzzle also will be there. Okay, so this is all about your syllabus, right? Now we understood that what we need to learn, what we need to study. Okay, now from what we will now we will discuss from what you should study, okay, or what are the things you have here. See, now whatever the syllabus we discuss, for that, okay, specifically I am talking about technical and your engineering mathematics. 2 things are there you need to carry on. First, you can get the handwritten notes of anyone. Okay, if you already search on net, then handwritten notes are there from a well-known institute. So just refer them, all the things you will get there. Okay, and whatever the theoretical questions or theoretical approach remaining, that I will cover in our NILET test pack. So don't worry at all about that. Okay. Along with that, you will require one previous year book. Okay, one previous year book you will require of obviously GATE EC, right? Any publication you can use here, there is no issue. Now see, of ECE syllabus, okay, all the 34 papers, past year paper you need to solve, okay, which is compulsory for your mathematics also and technical also. Now here distribution is there. See, among these 34 papers, you are already you know, and those who don't know, okay, there are two types of question. One is 1 mark question and second is 2 mark question. Okay, just understand this carefully. So what your target should be in this 60 days, okay, at least you will practice this 1 mark question twice or thrice of each and every subject that we discuss. Compulsory. Okay, if you want good rank, I am talking about rank, not just about 70, 80, 90 marks. Okay, about rank I am talking, because you know vacancies are very less. For open, I guess means 34 vacancies are there, right? Oh no, sorry, actually 25 vacancies are there. Okay, by combining both scientist B and your STA. For scientist B 5 vacancies and for STA 20, and that is total. In that also we have distribution, open, OBC, like that. So you should know that the meaning of rank is means less than 25 among all the students who applied for the STQC exam, right? Less than 25 rank we are targeting. So that's why it is very important. Just follow the instruction, whatever I am telling to you. 1 mark question you need to solve at least 2 to 3 times. Okay. See, this is very much important for you. Now a few students already told me that in test pack basically we have 3 mock tests only. Okay. See, now the condition is that if I frankly tell you, then due to this marketing of like 50 mock tests, then 1000 mock tests, like that, okay, your mind is like this only, that if more mock tests will be there, then it will be benefit. Okay, but it is not true. It is not true. Definitely question practice you should do more. Okay, and you are doing here that GATE questions, and now I am modifying again the package. Already I told you. Okay, so I will just fill that shortly. Okay, but these 3 mock tests are very much enough for you. Focus on this 1 marks 2 to 3 times. Okay, for STA specifically, and for scientist B. Okay, from 2 marks also you need to do the questions which are, I can say, which you can solve fast or in less time. Again I am repeating that from 2 marks only those questions, okay, which are conceptual. I am talking about now scientist B, which are conceptual, and if they are numerical, then you can solve them in minimum time. Only touch those questions, only practice those questions. Okay, and from 1 mark every question you need to practice. Okay, so this is the thing. And GATE previous year paper obviously for mathematics technical enough. Now next for GK, okay, Lucent book should be used. So just collect this Lucent book, either hard copy or soft copy depending on you. For quant, RS Agrawal, okay, enough reasoning, RS Agrawal for verbal and non-verbal reasoning, quant also RS Agrawal. Okay, along with that, on our Telegram channel, that is your Apna Government Job, link is in the description. I am uploading daily Telegram MCQ PDFs. Okay, so 5 of this non-technical section. So among that you should study current affairs, GS, quant and reasoning. Okay, practice daily 10 MCQ, 10 questions each are there here. So just practice them daily, compulsory, whether you know, whether you don't. Okay, just practice. Okay, so these are the resources, okay, which you have. Now along with these resources, here what we have, see, already our NILET STQC test pack is there. Okay, in that I already attached the Q box, then your magazine box is also there now. Okay, along with that 10 more non-technical practice tests and 3 full length tests. So here Q box is there. Okay, so like this you will get the interface on the application. From this, see, current affairs, general studies, quant and reasoning, this thing you need to practice. Those already purchased. I hope you are practicing for this since from December month. Okay, so till now I hope that you completed lots of question, and I guess your syllabus will be over now. Okay, but those who are new, just you need to practice, start the practice. See, current affair daily you are getting 10 June, 9 June, 8 June, like that. Okay, so all the things on one platform only, just you focus is required, dedication is required, that's it. All the things I am arranging you so that you can score better marks, you can score better rank basically. Okay, I am fond of this, not only marks. So this is the Q box I am attaching to you your test pack, and the magazine box, and this is new now. Okay, so existing users, you will get the things. Okay, just have patience. On application, just contact me. See, okay, so this is look like this now. Earlier I give you one PDF, right? So this is hectic for me also and you also. Now only one pack is there. In that all the current affairs you will get. See, and this is all magazines. So just click on this current affair magazines, and then you will get monthly magazines. Okay, and this, after clicking on any magazine, all the things are categorized like this. Okay, because you should know that whenever they will ask you the current affair questions, which is obviously high weightage, that if we assume 12 marks from GK, then 6 will be from current only. That is for sure. Okay, that is you can consider half. So that's why this is like this: books and author, then national news. Okay, then your banking, economy, international events. So these are very helpful for you, and very much presentation also very good in that. So I don't think you will feel bored while reading. Okay, this is very important. So I take care of this thing, that you should not feel bored while reading. Okay, so that's why all the things are very much arranged, better, and they are arranged in proper manner. Okay, so this is the magazine box. Then non-technical 10 test, already you know from the website. Okay, just visit the website, you will get the things. Okay, this is very important. Now I am again modifying the package, and I am adding now subject wide technical questions. Okay, if you recall, few students who already connected to our channel, I in the month of Jan or Feb, what I told you, that if we get extra time, then definitely I will add technical questions. Okay, and this is for those who think that the 3 mock tests are not enough. Obviously this is enough, but still for your satisfaction I am adding this. Okay, and what is the specialty of this? I am just focusing more on theoretical questions, which you will not get in your GATE previous year papers. Okay, so more I am focus will be on theoretical. Obviously numerical will be there. Okay, don't worry about that, but theoretical one, because in 2020, okay, if I tell you about 2020, then paper is of fully theoretical paper. Okay, there is no means, obviously paper is for CAC and EC. Okay, combined paper was there, but it is theoretical paper. No one expected this paper. For scientists B I am telling. Okay, from scientists B I am telling. So that's why I am adding subject wise technical question, that is 100 plus question we will get. Okay, and this is the modification for you guys. So in description, just go to the website and you can check the NIRET STQC test pack. Okay, and we have full length test, mock test, 3 mock tests will be there. So when you come on the website, okay, just go here NIRET STQC, and here select EC, because few people are there who are from EC but they purchase CAC. Okay, so this mistake also people do. So that's why just click on EC, and then this is your interface. Okay, your page. Here you have your 3 mock test. Okay, here 3 mock tests already attempted. Okay, that's why. So 10 total 10 over this, and this is okay, and all the details, see all the details here already given to you. Application link here. So just click on this, you will get redirect to application, download the application and contact me. Okay, if any query also you have, you can directly contact me on application, no worry on. And in this price, which is very affordable for you, okay, I don't think no one can manage these things. Okay, because Q box for 6 months, magazine box for 6 months, then your technical chapter wise questions are also there, 3 mocks are also there. Okay, so as you already know, my target will be one only, that you just to give the quality, okay, along with the affordable price. So that's why this price is very much affordable for you. Group A and Group B post is there. Next 70 years of your life, I don't think 450 rupees is very much big account. Okay, so I also consider the thing that obviously lockdown is there, few people have problem, but 450 rupees is very minor amount. Okay, for which you can know whatever the things I am giving to you. Okay, all the details are also here. Okay, you can read it from here also. So all the things are here just to make sure that your chances of selection, okay, I am see there is no guarantee of selection, but we need to increase the probability. Okay, we study the probability, but we don't know the practical minimum probability, so we should increase your probability of selection. This is very important. Okay, so till now 40 minutes cover already we passed. Okay, so we know now what is the syllabus, we know what are the resources. Okay, all the things we know, but how to use this practically, right? It is the question you should know. So this is the trump card of our today's session, that is the planning. Okay, that is, if I am preparing for STQC, then what will be my plan? Now I will share you, okay, my plan, how I can manage all the things that I mentioned already to you, and based on that you can modify, okay, with based on your routine, based on your study pattern, like that. Okay, you can modify, but just to give the idea that what you should do to get the best rank. If I am giving the exam and I want the best rank, then what I will do. Now let's discuss. Before that, as a summary, what we have is this. Okay, 60 days plan. What we have: get previous year paper, notes, Lucent, RS Agarwal, Qbox, Magazine Box, Comox, and Telegram PDFs. These are the resources we need to have. Okay, now how to use? See, first thing, divide. First step, divide the syllabus. Okay, so what are the things are there that are in your mind? So what I will do, I will divide that mathematics. Okay, now just pay attention here. If you want, take break of 5 minutes and then view, because I want full attention here. Okay, because this is the very important part of our video or our strategy. So first is your engineering mathematics, first part. Second, your technical. Third is your quant. And the last one is your GK. Okay, so first one is divide. Then the second one, obviously after quant you will do reasoning. Okay, don't forget the reasoning part. After first you will complete the quant, then you will complete the reasoning part. Okay, second is your take the baby steps. What is the meaning of baby step now? Okay, see, daily from tomorrow you will start, obviously. So daily you need to do study of mathematics also, technical also, quant also, GK also. Okay, daily this will be your routine. First point. Second, baby step means what? Divide your timing. Okay, divide your timing slots per subject. That is, if you study engineering mathematics for 2 hours, okay, for technical you can give 3 to 4 hours, and this is enough actually. Okay, this is enough. Whatever timing I am telling you, this is enough. Don't worry about that. Okay, for quant again 2 hours, and for GK 2 hours. So total how much hour? This is your 6 and this is 4, 10 hours. Okay, 10 hours study anyone can do. Okay, 10 hours study, and you will require this because our target is rank. And that is also in 60 days. Okay, because we don't know, NILET is crazy, you know already. They increase the vacancy, they again reopen the form. Okay, we don't know anything about that. So we have 60 days, and according to this only I am telling you. Okay, so first we divide the things: engineering mathematics, technical, quant, GK, and then baby step we just divide the timing. Okay, just timing. Now some students are there who are not familiar with this, that they want first they will complete full engineering mathematics, then they will complete full technical syllabus like this. No. Okay, you are preparing for competitive exams. This is not your college and your school exam. So whatever the style is required to do preparation of competitive exam, you need to adapt. This is also one skill which is required for a government officer. Okay, so you should adapt the things, you should adapt the situation, you should adapt in condition. Okay, which is very important for you. So obviously it will take time to just get used to it, but give yourself at least 5 to 6 days. Okay, start following at least 5 to 6 days. I am not telling you tomorrow on first day only you can do this. Okay, suppose you on tomorrow you can do 8 hours suppose out of 10, but it's okay, right? It's okay. Then gradually slowly you can increase to 10 hours. Okay, if you can do more, then obviously it is a bonus. Okay, if you can do more study than 10 hours, then it is bonus. Okay, now along with that, if you want, okay, see, if you want, then for revision what you can do, either two ways are revision there. Okay, for start, either give 1 hour daily for revision, 1 hour daily. Okay, in night. I will prefer it night because I am morning student. Now if you are night student, then you can do accordingly, because I study in morning. Okay, that is from 4 o'clock like that. So I am comfortable in this. Okay, so either this or give 1 day in a week. Okay, suppose on Sunday you will only revise, you will do only revision of your notes. Obviously you will make your notes while reading the things, right? So just read your notes on 1 day. Okay, this schedule you can follow. This schedule you can follow. Okay, for 1 month. Okay, now one by one, we have engineering mathematics. and the timing will be what? Your 2 hours, right? 2 hours. Okay, I will start with linear algebra. Okay, because it is easy to digest, I can say. Okay, so linear algebra I will start. I will do. Now take your own time. Okay, first read the theory, then solve the examples, then go to get previous year questions. Okay, get previous year questions. Now in this also, those questions you could not make in first attempt. Okay, means suppose you read the theory, you solve examples in book also, okay, or notes also, then you are moving to get questions. Obviously out of 30 questions, okay, suppose 18 question you can solve, but 12 question you could not solve, you need to see the solution, just tick that question, star mark. Okay, star mark, because this question you will solve again. Obviously 18 also in second attempt. See, this is the first attempt of get previous year, what I told you, 2 to 3 times. Okay, so this is the first attempt of 18 question. Now this is done. Okay, next time after completing whole syllabus, second time you will also again solve this 18 question and this 12 questions, and the third time just solve this 12 questions. Okay, so this is the approach in which I feel comfortable. Whatever you like you can do, but important is this revision. Okay, at least 2 to 3 times compulsory. Okay, so linear algebra, then sequence, you know na, already I whatever the sequence I am giving to you, okay, in that sequence only study linear algebra, then your calculus you can do, then differential equation, okay, and complete the syllabus of engineering mathematics like that. So daily 2 hours, daily 2 hours. Now in technical, this is very challenging. Now see, in technical 4 hours daily. Okay, now what sequence I should follow here? Okay, this is the main question, because whatever the sequence I already give you, that is high weightage to low weightage. Okay, but we are studying now, we are doing the concept for the first time. I am assuming you are doing study for first time. Okay, so you need to start with basic only, that is your network, second your signals, third your CS. Okay, then fourth you can do you can take your this what subject, digital circuits, then COA, then your microprocessor, microcontroller, then communication. Okay, then your EMT is there, then your analog communication, your analog this electronics. Okay, analog electronics, and then last subject your EDC. So this will be my subject. Okay, I will cover one by one. I will first cover network. Okay, I will read the theory, I will just solve the get previous year questions. Again the same approach I will do. Again I will do for signal system, again I will do for control system, again I will do for data circuits similarly. Okay, and I will daily study for 4 hours. Okay, like this. Now I told you that I am adding technical chapter wise question in our test pack, right? Chapter wise technical 100 plus question I am adding. So definitely in the frequent period when I add the, okay, see, I will add this in bunch, like first chapter, then second chapter, like this. Okay, whenever I will add, I will make the announcement in the batch. Our batch is there on Apna Government Job app. Okay, so in batch only you will get the announcement that okay, network theory questions are uploaded, so you can solve. Okay, but don't touch it, don't touch it without completing your theory part. Okay, don't touch it, that is the condition I am telling you. Don't hurry to touch them. First complete your theory, read all the things, okay, understand each and everything concept, then solve the question and then touch this, because this is the kind of quiz I will tell. Okay, here I will attach the timer also. Okay, you will have the timer definitely. So that's why first theory, then your get previous year, and then come to this. Okay, then come to this. Okay, okay, so this is about your technical part. Now the next is your quant section. So we are starting with quant. Okay, try to complete quant in at least 20 to 25 days, or if you want you can take 30 to 40 days also. There is no issue, because 20 days for reasoning is enough. Reasoning is very easy, guys. Okay, I will strictly recommend you to do WOM, whose reasoning and quant is this, who think that they are not good in your quant and reasoning. Okay, you can follow my lectures of DFCCL. Okay, quant and reasoning. In that all the basic concept which is required for NILET already I covered. Okay, and I will covering because this is running currently. Okay, so you can follow if you are if you feel difficulty in quant and reasoning. Okay, strictly I will recommend you to so that you can be good in quant and reasoning part. Okay, so already you know now you will do quant. Now here what you can do, start with percentage and ratio compulsory. First percentage chapter you will do, okay, solve some problem. Then the ratio chapter you can do, then solve some problem. Okay, now here I already told you the Q box. In Q box you are getting daily 10 question of quant. Okay, so those who are starting or doing syllabus for the first time, they can ignore that for the while, okay, for at least 1 month. Those who already complete the syllabus, hit the Q box, at least solve 5 quizzes, because see, your syllabus is already over, right? Now your focus is to improve your accuracy and your speed. Okay, like this. See, if anyone face any difficulty while studying, then definitely on application you can contact me. I will definitely guide you. Okay, don't worry about that. It is not like I will not tell you. I will definitely talk with you. Okay, so if you feel anything, then you can just contact me on application. So QBox 5 quizzes for those who already completed syllabus, and for those percentage ratio you will do those students who will starting first time from RS Agrawal, right? From RS Agrawal. And also on Telegram PDF also quant you will get daily. So again, those who complete the syllabus, hit this. Okay, daily solve these 10 questions of quant. I'm guarantee you by doing this only, okay, you are, if quant is for 15 marks now, then definitely you will get 13 more marks, above 13 marks for sure. Okay, because after practicing a lot like this and also observing, because solution is also in detail. Okay, in QBox also solution is in detail, so that's why just follow this. Okay, so this is your about quant. Similarly for reasoning also same, QBox, then your Telegram PDF, join Telegram group and you will get a PDF of reasoning also, daily 10 question. QBox again daily 10 question, just do. And in reasoning you can start any chapter, there is no limitation for you in reasoning, any chapter you can start. Okay, there is no compulsion of anything. Now the last subject is your GK. See, first thing here you need to understand that you can't do GK in 15 days, 20 days, 25 days, 30 days like that. Okay, it required specific time. There is specific time is required for that. Okay, so that's why it is very important to go step by step. Now already I told you what we have. Lucent book is there. Okay, for your history and all this part, GK part, and one is there current affair. For that your current affair magazine is there. Okay, now suppose if your exam is in August, then you can start August month magazine. You can start from August month magazine. Okay, try to cover at least half of the magazines. That is, suppose in this magazine total 34 categories are there, like awards, then your total important days. Okay, important days, one question will be there of current affair from important days, that is for sure, guarantee. Okay, so in magazine all the whatever the months you have, important dates you should by heart. Okay, one question will be there like that. So at least cover 17 categories and 17 categories next day, like this. Okay, current affair, because this 2 hour you will divide now. So 30 minutes current affair reading. Okay, then in QBox daily current affair quiz will be there. Just solve that 10 question of daily current affair. If you want to do little advanced, then make it to 45 minutes. And from our Apna Current website, okay, from our website, basically you can read the daily current affair also, no issue. Okay, but this is the optional, because all the things are here in magazine, so no need to waste time. But if you still want, then you can do. Okay, there is no compulsion. Okay, then on Telegram also 2 PDFs are here there now, current affairs and your general studies. Sorry, not current affairs, general awareness. Okay, so this 10 question always you need to do. Okay, see, we have to do these things if you are aiming for good rank. Okay, again I am reminding you, because I know some of you is feeling now, sir, how we can do this very hectic. Okay, but we have to do, right? It is group A job and group B job, guys, right? It is not like a group C or group D job. And just think about your rest of the 70 years. Okay, so that's why just take the efforts for this 2 to 3 months, and then rest you will enjoy. You can enjoy. Okay, no one will tell you to study again. So these are the things you need to do for current affair. Okay, now here it is very important. See, here we have lots of syllabus: history, geography, economics, your polity, then your science is there. Okay, and GK part, already GK part you can do from magazine, so no need to worry about GK. Okay, now here what I will suggest you: first do history. Okay, second polity, third science, fourth economics, and in last geography, like this. Okay, sequence I hope you got. Again, you can repeat the video, I will not repeat again. Okay, and again you can do this. So again for this also, general study PDF, you will get the things here. Okay, then Q box also 10 question you are getting daily, so you can practice that. It's enough. Okay, like this you will complete your whole syllabus for the next 60 days. And now about your mock. So once you finish 80% of your syllabus of non-technical, 80% of your syllabus of non-technical, okay, you have non-technical 10 test, you can give that. Okay, you can give. And after completion of 70 to 80% of syllabus, you can give mock test 1. Okay, then if you complete 80% to 90%, then mock test 2. And I here those who are 90% to 95, because 100% never possible, then mock 3. Okay, and these are enough for you, no need to worry, because mock tests are only to practice in time environment, in exam environment. Okay, it is not like questions, because already lots of questions you are getting, technical also and non-technical also. Okay, so I hope that now everything is clear, that what is the syllabus, what are the resources, how should we do. Okay, how should we plan accordingly. I told you the plan also, so you can follow this plan. Okay, you can follow this. And the last part, that is your motivation. The only motivation already I give you in the form of podcast. Okay, so just search on NILET podcast on Apna Government Job channel. Just watch entire session and you will get super motivated. Okay, that's why that session name is Motivation Ki Aag. Okay, the motivation, fire of motivation, fire of motivation. So just watch that. I don't need think anything I need to tell you regarding the motivation part. All the things are there in NILET podcast. Okay, if you want, then I can attach this in comment section also. Okay, no need to worry. So these are the things. Now just today take proper rest, and from tomorrow, okay, you can start your journey for NILET STQC. I am there with you. Just download the app. Okay, stay connected with me if you want seriously this job. Just stay connected. I will definitely guide you. That if you can ask me also that what subject should I do next, what topic should I do next. Okay, if you are any query, don't just feel free. Okay, and in description and everything, whatever the links, whatever the test pack link, all the links I will give in the description and in the comment section also. Okay, so this is the in-depth strategy video for NILET STQC. Compulsory like the video, compulsory. Okay, this is the compulsory for you. And if any query is still there, I don't think that 90% it will there, but still 10% will be there, then definitely I will address in comment section, or I can make the video also. Okay, if any important update I will get regarding exam date, then I will share with you. Okay, so good night and all the best.